Hey everyone, what is going on? Today I'm doing something that I probably should have done like 2 years ago. If you guys don't remember, on the caliber, the taillights were getting water in. And my solution at the time was just drill relief holes. So now I bought new taillights. So today we're going to install them. Should be very quick. Yeah, there's my relief holes. And it stopped the water from building up. But I have a real solution now. So I'm going to open up this box and we will get out my nice, cheap eBay tails. And I wanted to change them up a little bit, but I still wanted them to kind of look OEM. So you'll see in a minute. Alright, so let's get these guys out all the way. You can kind of see what I was going for with them already. They are red. They are LED. So it's kind of what I wanted. So yeah, I think that, it looks a little bit more modern, but the shape here for the turn signal and reverse change. We've got nice LEDs, and so all I gotta do is for these guys is these two clips, and they come out, then we'll swap over right there. We've got our vents and everything. So yeah, we got our brake and reverse, and then here's our brake for the LEDs, top and bottom. Here will be our turn signal and reverse. And I'm not sure how the harness runs, but I think we can, yeah, see there's the holes, reverses. Reverse is on the inside, that's what it was. So reverse, I believe, is the inside. I can't see through there. But yeah, those are kind of clear. We'll grab some pliers and get these out. So ideally you should use something a little bit better to get these out than pliers and screwdrivers, but these are just little like clips. Got one and two if I can grab it. Come on. Now this is just the insert part. And then you gotta kind of pop it out. There's a little, yeah, two little clips here. And now you're out. And now we got our reverse and turn signal out. So, made a quick error, something I want to talk about real quick. These actually do turn signal and brake. I forgot that on the Euro vehicles, because they want a yellow bulb, there's an empty hole here. So unfortunately right now this is going to be an empty hole. That's reverse. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that yet, because like even on the OEM ones, see, it's just plugged. It's not open. So I guess what we could do is, if I wanted more backup light, I could piggyback on this one and put another bulb in and get two reverse lights. I might do that. I might look up that socket. That might be a nice project. But basically you unclip your standard brake turn bulb, and then you just plug it in. Actually, you need the bulb socket. So you need to pull the bulb out of the socket. That makes a little bit more sense, so that way if you wanted to, you could fish this plug back inside there. So let me plug this in. So we got that. We'll try to coil these in a little bit and then try to lock this in, hopefully. I'm hoping. Yeah, there we go. So that's how it should look, unless you have the Euro harness. Oop, I missed. So you got to get that pinch weld, over the light first. Then we'll pop it in, kind of like that. So not too bad. Let me hit the brake lights and stuff. So as you can see, we got a little bit of a hyper flash going on. I'm gonna have to get a resistor to put in there. That's something I did not think about at the time. And there we have headlight on. So pretty nice. Let me get the other one in. They look pretty decent. I just got to figure out what socket goes in them. But I like them. There they are, lit up. So pretty bright. See how that works. See how long they last. And what I was worried about is from the side view, but all these LEDs on the side, they actually have reflectors in them as well. So let me get something on the brake and I can show you what they look like lit up with the brake light. And now that is with the brake on. As you can see, they're really bright. The bottom ones stay running like brightness, and the top are brake brightness. So pretty cool. And the bottom ones are just wired on that little pigtail, like a clip. So if you don't like them, you can unplug them. Okay, so only the tops work as turret signals, but remember they're just in their little pigtail. So I gotta find some stuff to put the bulb into the second little reflector housing. But that took all of 10 minutes. And if you have a Euro model where your turn signal is a separate bulb, you're not gonna have to worry about the hyper flashing. So I'm gonna find the socket for that and do the Euro conversion in another video. So until next time.